Today I want to show you how to perfectly remove background. This is not right way.
Watch full video and please subscribe.
Now, I show you right way. Control J and copy. Go to the sold color and choose color red.
So come here, baby, listen close, hold me tight, don't let me
Click Overlay.
I want you all my life.
Press Ctrl and select both. And now press Ctrl plus E.
So I'ma let you keep me up another time, but please don't stay the night. Don't try to change my mind, baby, please don't stay the night. I must do what's right. Don't make me ask you twice. Oh, don't stay the night. Don't try to turn it to a fight. You know I love you.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.